Phew! Wasn't that intense? Welcome to KGF.
It was a foggy winter morning. And out of nowhere, two cars appeared in the grassland.
What do you get when you have two cars, three madmen, and a foggy winter morning in Kolar? You get this kind of magic. Kolar is well known for its gold mines. But there's another thing it should be known for. After an hour of exploring the thickets, we got the first glimpse of the hero of our story. I think you must have guessed it by now. It's the black buck. So, we, the three idiots, drove to Kolar in search of these beauties. And we weren't disappointed. We had some beautiful sighting of these antelopes. It was a struggle finding them, but once we got our first group, it was easy peasy Japanesey. I have a 5-year-old and we hear a lot of these all day long. The black buck, also known as the Indian antelope, is a species of antelopes found in India, Nepal, and Pakistan. Blackbucks live on open woodlands and semi-desert areas, but also enjoy areas with thorn or dry deciduous forest. They like to stay near areas where grassland is available. And this was their perfect habitat. The males are darker in color compared to the females. But they both have the same stride, as they hop around these open grasslands. Careless and free, little aware of the fact that they are an endangered species, with dwindling numbers.
Hope you liked the video. If so, please do spend some time on the other videos in my gallery, while I leave you with some KGF magic.